Hello, nice to meet you. Today, Grammar Unplugged, making English rules fun and accessible. Today, we will discover fun and effective ways to master grammar rules, all while having a good laugh. Say goodbye to grammar fears and hello to language confidence. Please subscribe now and unplug from boring lessons. Today, we'll find some reasons why grammar rules can be a scary experience for learners. Complexity, fear of mistakes, intimidating terminology, confusing rules, overemphasis on correctness, inconsistent usage, past negative experiences, time consuming, lack of engagement, and multiple variations. Right now, I'm leading you into the light. English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Incorporating novelty into your learning process. Study guide. Do it yourself. How to overcome fear of complexity. Research suggests that breaking complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts, a technique known as chunking, can improve learning. Encourage yourself to tackle one grammar rule at a time. Fear of mistakes. Creating a supportive, non-judgmental learning environment for yourself. Please check it your friends, check it your family members, and avoid toxic people. How to overcome fear of intimidating terminology. Research in education recommends using plain language and real-life examples to make concepts more accessible, avoiding jargon. Fear of confusing rules. Cognitive science indicates that using mnemonics or memory aids can help learners remember complex rules. Encourage the use of mnemonic devices for challenging grammar concepts. Fear of overemphasis on correctness. Research in psychology emphasizes the benefits of focusing on progress rather than perfection. Highlighting improvement can reduce your fear of always being right. Fear of inconsistent usage. Studies in linguistics show that immersion in the language and exposure to real-life usage patterns can help learners adapt to variations, encourage real conversation and reading in English. Fear of past negative experiences. Create activities that are enjoyable and relatable to overcome negative past experiences. Do it for yourself. Fear of time consuming. Research on time management advises learners to dedicate small, consistent amounts of time daily. Short focus sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. Fear of lack of engagement. Active learning incorporates interactive elements, discussions, etc., even with yourself. If you have your partner, it's okay. But if you need to study alone, do it yourself. Fear of multiple variations. Research in social linguistics acknowledges the existence of dialects and variations. Promote the idea that mastering English grammar is just one aspect and regional variations are natural. And please, remember, novelty captures our attention. Sometimes you just need to change something. Maybe you need a new book, maybe you need a new partner to talk in the second language, or maybe you just need to change your habits. Whether through new materials, interactive activities, or diverse learning methods, can make the learning journey more engaging, memorable, and effective. Just try to change something, and you will see it's nothing new for you. Thank you. Take care and see ya.